Alright, y'all. We finna put some drop shackles on my GMC Sierra. I believe these are 2-inch. Don't need a cheater pipe. There we go. They know what a cheater pipe is.
Okay. It's better.
Alright.
This is gonna go viral.
Like I said, you may end up needing a cheater pipe. It took some pressure to loosen this bolt, but you want it to be good and tight. All right.
Now I did. That went quiet.
It just is. I ain't said nothing yet.
Okay. We didn't need
Make sure you don't bump my hardware here, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have to. You gotta bump that out of there.
2. Walk. What's that called?
What's what it called?
That.
The bolt?
Yeah.
I don't know. A bolt.
They call that thing that I was using. What called what that thing you were using?
A bolt, baby. Oh, a hammer. A ball peen hammer.
A ball peen hammer to get that out.
Yeah. Y'all don't do stuff like I do stuff. Alright, now we're going to take this bolt out the same side. That used to be a... Alright.
Put it back in. I'm trying to cord all I can right now. Recording. Guys, so right now what are we doing?
We're taking this top bolt out.
We taking the top out. The
Tote? Top bolt?
top bolt, yeah. Yeah. Or that bottom one. And we working on it.
And we're working on it, huh? Push this up out of the way. I'm gonna pull this bolt out above the frame.
Your hand a little bit in the way.
Sorry. And we can take our stock shackle out.
Cable out. And then we place it with another one. If you got one at home.
We can slide our new one up here.
Now we're going.
Alright, we're going to slide the original hardware through the new shackle.
Yeah, the new. And it's very hard work.
A little bit. Could be easier.
Yeah.
Put your washer back, start your nut on there. And then we're gonna go through the bottom right here.
How long you want your rail to be? How long?
I don't know, I ain't worried about it.
Okay, then I got me longer than this. Wait, not long.
That lined
3
up.
Okay. 5 through 6, I could say. 6 with.
You may need to persuade that on in there.
5. Then probably gonna see the blueness.
I put a little blue Loctite on there. I don't know if it's required or even needed at all.
Then also hang up. So, I got my symbol myself. Do these people know your names? Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
You want me to touch on it or?
No.
Okay. Then it will happen.
And then we're going to tighten both of these bolts up, nuts up. And that'll be a wrap.
And now you want the wheel on.
No.
Okay. When